Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can check Walmart gift card balance. Well, it's quite easy. For example, here I have a Walmart gift card photo right here. If you have a physical card just like this, you'll need to remember these 16-digit code right here and the 4-digit pin that you can see right here. This pin you can simply get from scratching the card, or if you also have the digital Walmart card, you can also get these code easily. So you'll need to remember this 16-digit code and this 4-digit code. So after doing that, here you can now go back and simply open any kind of browser. I'm going to get with Safari. And then on the search bar, you can simply type in Walmart gift card checker. So after doing that, you can simply search for it. And in here, you can see this is the official site of Walmart. Here you need to recheck that and simply tap on the URL. So after doing that, this page will open, from which you'll have to enter your 16-digit code right here. So just like this, here you can see I have added down my 16-digit code, and like that you need to add down the 4-digit pin given on your card. Here you can also get the option of scan code. Just like this, here if I remove these code, here you can get the option of scan card. So if you simply tap on this option, your camera will be opened, and like that you'll be able to scan the gift card. So after doing that, here all you need to do is simply tap on check balance, and like that you'll be able to check the balance of your Walmart gift card. But for some reason, if you're not being able to do that, here if you scroll down, you can get the Walmart's official number. So if you simply call this number, then you'll get to the helpline of Walmart, and you can even ask them for your Walmart gift card balance. And just like that, you'll be able to check your Walmart gift card balance. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.